Hey guys, what's up, Revhead? So, my goodness, check out the temperature inside our house. 53 degrees. Woo! We're turning on the heat. But, yeah, so we had some snow yesterday, snow overnight, and it stopped. It was freezing rain for a while, then it stopped, it was sleet. Now it's back to snow, so we'll see how long this lasts. But we picked up the Explorer from the Ford dealership. First time going to this Ford dealership, and it passed. We did not have to replace our tires. In fact, we didn't have to do anything except our batteries. So when they went out, they said the battery was weak and they had to jump it. So, you know, there wasn't kind of a surprise. We did charge the battery up in here, but like I said before, we charged it up in here, we put it out there, it fired right away for us, but it was setting at the dealership for like 2 days before they got to it. So I'm not really shocked that the battery was weak, so they replaced it with another battery. So yeah, you know, it was good. It wasn't that expensive. It was like $400 some. I was planning anywhere from $800 to $1,500. That was what I was planning. I always like to plan high. That way, when it's lower, I feel like I got a good deal. So it wasn't too bad. They did say something about the radiator is starting to leak. Something about the housing. They said that would be $700, and you know, the tires passed, but they said it's dry rotting. They couldn't see any thread, so they passed it. The tread's good on the tires I have now. It's just that dry rot. So we'll see what we do next year. A lot can happen in a year, but she's inspected for under $500. Good to go. We did not fix our lock. I can lock the vehicle. Some of you guys, you know, sent a message saying, you know, that, oh no, you can't lock your vehicle. So, the driver door lock does not work, but I can lock it if I manually push down the pin. The problem is when you put the key in to try and unlock it, it will not unlock. So then what I have to do is open up the back door or the rear hatch, go through, grab the pin with the pliers, sometimes I can with my hand, and manually pull that pin up to get it to work. Ford checked it out. They said it's the lock actuator. I don't know if I said that right, but so that was, they said like $300 if they fix it. So I just told them, hey, you know, do whatever you have to for inspection. We'll see if we want to deal with that in the future. So yeah, everything great with it. Now I just gotta put this stuff away. And you know, I came up with this idea. So we got this chest right here. I was just gonna throw it out. It's an older chest, not really sure what it was used for, but I am seriously shivering in here. It's so cold. Oh my word. I'm gonna put all the tools and stuff that go in the Explorer in the chest, in the back of the Explorer. That way it's not laying around looking junky in the Explorer. You know, I don't know. We'll see what we want to do with the Explorer. And wow, that snow is coming down. Wow. Yeah, we'll see what we want to do with the Explorer. I'm not quite sure yet at this point. But we got a year to decide if we want to keep it going or if we want to get something else, you know. With what they said, we're going to try and we're going to look over the radiator and that and see if we can do anything ourselves with it. But if we don't do anything ourselves, we're looking at $1,500 minimum probably for new tires, for them to fix that, for inspection and whatnot. So, and that's, you know, if there's nothing else. So we'll see. $1,500. I don't know. We'll see. Thank you guys for watching. I know some of you guys don't like vlogs. You just want to see the Mustang, but it is a car channel, and I do want to keep you guys updated on, you know, more than just the Mustang. If you guys want to always be updated on different car related stuff, let me know and I'll do more vlogs. Take care, guys.